Welcome to this video in which we will be making this structure using Weldments in SolidWorks. You can find its diagram and necessary dimension in the description. Let's start. First of all, select part and click OK. Now click on sketch. Click here and select 3D sketch. Select rectangle. Make a rectangle smart dimension. Make this dimension as 1000 millimeter and this dimension as 750 millimeter. Now select a line and make a vertical line like this. Make dimension as 500 millimeter. As this is a 3D sketch, so it has 3 axes. Select this line and make it along Z axis. Now this provides a 3D view. Now select a line, select this point and join this point. Now go to smart dimension, select this point and this point. Make this distance as 200 millimeter. Click OK. Now again go to smart dimension, select this line and make this angle 45 degree. Click OK. Now go to Weldments, exit this sketch, select structural member, select the standard as ISO, select type as the square edge, size 80 by 80 by 5. Okay. Select group and select all the lines in one plane. We have 4 lines in this plane, third and fourth line. These are 4 lines in this plane. Okay. So now click on this point and check this second option. Okay. Similarly, select this point and check second option, but third option is better. Okay. Now similarly, check this, select this point, check the second one. Okay. Select this point and check the third one. This is better. Okay. Now click on new group. We have a single line in this plane. Select new group again and we have this single line in this group. The angle is not perfect, so make it perfect by adjusting this degree to 45. Now this looks better. Okay, now hide this sketch. Select this surface, click on sketch. Now make a center line from this corner to this corner and then make a rectangle of size 120 by 120 millimeter. Smart dimension 120 millimeter. And similarly this line is also 120 millimeter. Okay. Now select the fillet. Select this whole sketch. Yes. The fillet appears here. Yes. So 10 mm fillet is applied to all the corners. You can see. Click OK. Now we will make circles at the cross shown at the plane. Let me show you the crosses. Here is the cross. So this circle is made at the cross. Smart dimension and make this diameter as 10 millimeter. Now we have to make these 4 circles. So we will use the mirror command. First make a center line. Now press the shift button on your keyboard, select the circle and the center line. Select this mirror entities and you can see the circle is mirrored. Similarly, we have to mirror these 2 circles on the opposite side. Press the shift button, select this circle and select this center line. Mirror entities and the circles are mirrored. Okay, so now we have to extrude this up to 10 mm. Exit this sketch, go to features, select extruded boss. Make sure this arrow should be in the downward direction. Make it as 10 millimeter and then click OK. We will complete the rest of the structure in our next video. See you later.